There's no other word to use for this truck but wow. Another one of these modified Ford Ranger Wildtraks we've just managed to get our hands on in Pride Orange, an absolute unbelievable, monstrous truck that's had thousands and thousands of pounds spent on it to make it look like this. Now, it's a 2016 66 plate, done 36,000 miles, 3.2 diesel automatic. The biggest thing about this is value for money. It's £23,990, no VAT. It's probably had about 10 grand's worth of optional extras put onto it, but it's the Ford Ranger Wildtrak as a standard base truck, which is one of the best you can buy anyway. Premium features all round. But let's talk about the styling first and foremost. So the colour's Pride Orange. It's got the wind deflector pack, which is the deflector on the bonnet and the windows, obviously to the sides, both sides. It's got the Raptor front grille. All the sections are painted, so all the grille's painted, the big Ford decal on the front. It's got the bar at the bottom, all painted in gloss black. And then the wheels, 20-inch gloss black wheels, the arch extensions. So all riveted in. These arch extensions are also painted to match the colour of the wing inserts, the mirrors. It's just stunner. It's also got the Aeroklas full painted back on it. Another big expensive feature to buy if you want to buy it as an accessory. The light surrounds, fitted tow bar, Ranger Wildtrak decals on the doors into the back end. And also now look in the back of this. So basically you've got two load facilities. You can go through the window, you can pull the cover down, it drops down, it's got an assisted tailgate, you can see it falls, but it's got that Bedrug back, so it's all carpeted in the back, which is stunning. So you can know it's been looked after. It's a great truck. Now, it is a 66 plate truck, so if I'm going to be realistic with you guys, it isn't brand new, but it's lovely. So don't expect the truck to have zero marks, zero wear, because it does have some very, very slight marks to it. But my guys will prepare this truck for you. It'll get MOT'd, it'll get serviced. If there was any marks on the wheels, if it needs polishing, it'll all get done. So it will be beautiful, but it isn't new. So that's just me being honest and real with you guys. Being a Wildtrak, you've got the fixed side steps, functional to jump in and out the truck. We've got the roof bars, we've got the painted door handles. Then inside, these are where the Wildtraks come into their own in the commercial vehicle market. Half leather, orange and black interior. Now, the interior on this is why I love this Pride Orange, because the interior matches the exterior and it looks absolutely brilliant. It's an automatic, it's got full electric seats, it's got reversing camera, it's got nav, Bluetooth, climate control, heated seats. It's got everything you'd want, and I love this seating, sports seats with the Wildtrak stitched into those seats as well, switchable four-wheel drives, and with no VAT on it, 23,990. You know, we cannot PCP this truck, okay? People will ask, can you PCP him? So please don't inquire if you're looking at a PCP. But for anyone who's looking to buy a truck outright or even HP finance it, we can offer you 6.9% APR. And for value for money, for the way this truck looks, it's got full history, it's done 36,000 miles. I think it's a brilliant proposition. Cruise control on the steering wheel, we've got Bluetooth, we've got automatic lights. Then the screen, this is all touchscreen interface. You can see we've got heated seats, we've got Bluetooth, we've got navigation, DAB radio. Your heated seats are also down here and you can switch your climate control here. We've got the switchable four-wheel drives, automatic gearbox there. You've got your reversing camera, especially when you're going to pull a trailer. You can see you've got your guidelines there, and there's your tow bar. It's just brilliant, it really is. Like a car in the cab, but the aggression of the Wildtrak with the kit on. I mean, just look down the side of the truck and just look how wider it is with those arch extensions. It's got ground clearance, it's got a brilliant access height, especially with those steps. So you feel on top of the world when you sat in one of these things. But with 36,000 miles on, it is in a great condition, don't get me wrong, but it's not brand new. But listen, if you're looking for a Ranger Wildtrak that's got the kit on and you want to turn heads, for value for money, there isn't a better one on the road or for sale than this car. So be very quick because it is going to go fast. There's no VAT on it. It's 23,990 and it's an unbelievable truck for that money. My name's Richard. Call me on my number on the screen. Get this truck reserved. Thanks for watching.